this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, women and children, men and adults. That doesn't make sense, but we're gonna go with it. Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, it is I, your boy Swahili the G. Welcome back to another banging session of quality tech unboxings on the channel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the most important unboxings I've ever done in my life. I've done a monitor unboxing, for those who don't know. I've done a keyboard, mouse, PlayStation, what else? I've done so many unboxings on the channel. I'll leave all the links in the description, don't worry about that. But of all of them, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the most important unboxing ever.
Yes,
this
sir. Yes.
is the RTX 3050 graphics card. And in this video, guys, I'm gonna unbox this graphics card, and I'm also gonna be teaching you guys how to properly install or upgrade a graphics card on your system as well. Because there's actually a way, there's a procedure to do these things to install it correctly, I guess. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well, because clearly I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I'm so gassed, man. You don't even understand. And I'd like to give a quick shout out to the man himself, ladies and gentlemen, Malik Vandenberg. Guys, you don't understand, this nigga is a legend, but I will talk more about him at the end of the video, I guess. Anyway, so this bad boy is from Shuffle PC. I also like to say thank you to them, because trust me, it wasn't easy getting my hands on this. Anyway, as you can tell, you have two camera angles, because your boy is just Marcus Brownlee, ladies and gentlemen. Marcus Brownlee, that's just how I move out here. I'm so excited, man. This is just... Anyway, let's get into this. So for those who don't know, the graphics card that I'm currently using is a GTX 960, which is a really good card, to be honest. Again, it was given to me by a Shuffle PC for free, but this one actually paid for, don't worry. But that graphics card is really good for gaming, but it's not the best for things like recording, video editing, and streaming and all of that. And for those who don't know, I do a lot of things. I'm not just a gamer, that's not how it works. That doesn't pay the bills, you know? At least yet, anyway. As you can see, the packaging is pretty nice, and also they ship to your home, so you don't really need to go anywhere. The thing just gets delivered to exactly where you live. Mara stima ipotea size. Maana ndio kuna ushenzi kweli huko Kenya. Washangaa unbox, mara wapi? Look at that, bro. I'm already blushing. That's the thing about me with tech. I don't know why I love tech so much. And I'm broke as F. That's another problem, you know. But for some reason, I'm just obsessed with tech. So this is the card, ladies and gentlemen. This is the beautiful GeForce RTX 3050, ladies and gentlemen. OC edition. That means overclocked. 8 GB. Look at this, guys. Let's just see what else is in the package. All right, we got some earphones here. I think I might do an unboxing of these bad boys on a different video. Look at this, guys. Couple of earphones. Maybe one is for you guys. You never know. That's why you need to subscribe, turn on notification, and check out Shuffle PC. Link in the description. You just never know. One of this could be yours, guys. That's all I'm saying. What? There is more, Maji. There is more. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, I feel like we're doing a giveaway very soon. Shout out to Shuffle PC for sponsoring this giveaway. We might do a giveaway very soon. Look at this, guys. I mean, my phone doesn't really use the headphone jack, so technically, but look at this, guys. Alright, anyways, we are here to unbox the RTX, obviously. Dude, I'm so gassed. That's what I'm saying. I'm so happy. You don't understand, guys. So, as usual, we'll have a look around the box before we even get into the thing. As you can see here, this is the palette one. And this is overclocked, as I just said, and it's 8 GB, guys, of memory. DDR6 memory, I think. And it's the RTX version, meaning it has ray tracing in the card. 3050, as you can see here. Nvidia is out here, ray tracing and DLSS. Now, for those who don't know what this is, basically this can boost your frame rates insanely in games that are so demanding, things like Cyberpunk and stuff like that. As you can see here, it's just the RTX thing, and there's the same on this side. All Right, let's have a look at the back, ladies and gentlemen. The GeForce RTX 3050 mate. These are the key features out here. So first of all, we got second gen ray tracing cores. Basically, this bubble can ray trace everything. If you are too fat in a game, this graphics card got you covered. You will see your freaking particles of the fat thing. Anyway, third gen tensor cores, PCIe Express Gen 4, Microsoft. Out here you see the DirectX. DDR6 graphics memory, I think I told you guys about that. It also has DLSS, it's gonna boost your frame rates basically. It's got the GeForce experience, you know, which is also comes in handy sometimes. And also you got C-Sync, you know, if you have a monitor that's compatible with it though. And then there's the GPU boost. You get me from? That's the meaning of the overclocking thing basically. And gamer ready drives basically. Display port is there. We got everything, HDMI, everything. Supports 4K 120 Hz, HDR, 8K, ladies and gentlemen, 8K 60. Everything. This thing can do everything, basically. That's what that means. So, ladies and gentlemen, one of the reasons that I actually got this graphics card is the support for editing, you know, because your boy actually does editing for other people as well, you know, just as a source of income, because I cannot afford things like this. Let's just be honest. YouTube doesn't even pay me. We both know that. So, yeah. This is gonna help me out with editing a lot, bro. Multiple uploads a day are now actually possible with this. You know, there's so many things I can actually do with this. It's not just for gaming, but that comes as a plus, you know. So yeah, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. A box inside a box. I like that. I like the packaging. Woo! I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this bad boy. This graphics card, hopefully, is gonna get me to 100,000 subs, guys. There's nothing here really. But HDMI, HDCP. Alright, let's get into the box. Ladies and gentlemen, I like this so far. I'm not even playing, I actually like this so far. I haven't even seen the card yet, but I'm such a nerd, to be honest. Anyway, user manual. I'm not gonna read this because your boy is just on another level. Come on, let's just be honest here. I'm not gonna read this. Oh my freaking gosh, man. Look at this beauty. I don't know what to say, man. Alhamdulillah, I just want to say Alhamdulillah, bro. I'm grateful to God. I'm just really grateful. After 6 years of gaming, uploading more than 4,000 videos over 6 different YouTube channels, sometimes you don't even know, streaming for more than 12 hours sometimes. After all that, ladies and gentlemen, with no graphics up, with nothing, finally guys, we're at a position where we can actually do something or increase the quality of the video. We can, the possibilities with this graphics card doesn't just say, this is not just a gaming card. For those guys that are watching the video, I want to explain it further. This thing will help you with editing, especially someone like me. I edit almost around 6 videos a day. Some of them are mine, some of them are for other people that I'm working for. You get me? So I just want to say, guys, thank you for the love. Without you guys, this would not have been possible. Let's just be honest. Because why would I buy a graphics card when I don't even have subscribers or viewers? So I want to say thank you, guys. Thank you to everyone that uses supporter creators _ game and the item shop. Thank you to all of you that donate. Thank you to everyone, actually. Without you guys, this would not have been possible. I've never been this happy in a while. I'm just gonna say it. Maybe it's because I'm an ad. Dude, I'm in severe debt. Don't get me wrong, I'm in severe loans right now. But hey, it's for the better, Machi. Look at this card, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. It knows who I am. It's talking to me. So, what's up? I love your content, bro. Thank you, graphics card. We're obviously gonna do some testing of games and stuff. You know, I'm gonna throw some frame rates of different kinds of games on the screen as we progress. I'm also gonna do some testing, maybe editing. We're gonna use the card. Don't worry, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly on this camera angle here, but hey, let's open this. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand. This thing is massive. Oh my freaking gosh, man. Let's do a smell test. Immediately smell test. Ladies and gentlemen, it's nothing short of quality. Let's do another smell test. I don't care. Ladies and gentlemen, this is I'm so excited, man. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm just really gutted. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for the love. Without you guys, I don't think this would have been possible. Shuffle PC, guys. They sell things like this and other stuff. Their link is in the description to their website. Thank you to the guys that use support creators when I sold game. I need to say this again and again. Thank you to all of you that watch my videos. Thank you for the love. Now we can actually stream. I think I'm about to cry, man. I'm such a nerd, but I think I'm about to cry. Okay, let's quickly remove the, the wrapping, I guess. Maji, this thing is gonna help out big time. People don't understand with so much of my work. Because, I don't know how to explain it, to be honest. And for those maybe who are wondering about the specs of this graphics card, the best way to explain it for the kids maybe who are watching, this graphics card is like PS5 Plus. That's it. Any game that plays on the PS5. You get me? The frame rate that you'll get in that game on the PlayStation 5, this graphics card will give you 20 more frames. That is the best way to explain this graphics card right here. With the settings of the PS5. For example, if you play something like, let's say, Assassin's Creed maybe, Valhalla, for example. And on the PlayStation 5, you get like 60 FPS, right? With the best settings, obviously. Now, if you take the settings, put them on your PC, you'll play the same game with like 70 or 80 FPS. You get me? So basically what this is, it's a PS5 Plus. Not Pro Plus. It's a PS5 Plus. Because it gives you extra 20 FPS. Basically, that's it. And for those guys who are into editing, like me, for example, I do editing, I do so much stuff. For even recording, sometimes I could be playing a game while recording, using the Elgato, even my camera, they all use hardware NVENC, for those who know what that is. And all of that relies on the graphics card. You get me? So this is gonna help out with that as well. Maji, I'm so excited right now. You guys don't even understand. Alright, so that's the unboxing done right there. Maji, the video is too long. I'll have to cut this video into 2 parts. I will have to cut this video into 2 parts because I don't want to make this thing so long for you. Thanks to everyone that has subscribed. Press that button. Thank you. I live in Kenya, Africa, bro. Do you know the chances of even making it? It's next to impossible. So thank you, especially Malik. This entire setup, bro, somehow, if this was a company, Malik would own 20% of this company. Check out Malik Vandenberg, guys. This is his channel right here. Malik Vandenberg. This guy has helped me in manners I cannot even explain. He didn't really actually pay for the entire thing. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying generally. This guy has helped me in manners you guys won't understand. So guys, please, if you truly support gaming in Kenya, subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications because amazing content is coming soon. And also, check out Malik. Links will be in the description. Check out other YouTubers. I'll try and put other YouTubers' links in the description also. And also check out Shuffle PCs, Magic, because they sponsored this. This is just... So I feel like we should end this video here. And then I'll start the next video immediately after here. So if you wanna see that video is gonna be basically explaining how to install a graphics card properly. Because I know some of you guys just think it's plug and play. That's not how it works. And also, yeah, great content is coming soon. This is a promise on you guys. This bubble is gonna get us to 100k subs, inshallah, God willing, guys. So subscribe, hit the like button. Don't be that guy that's, it's always doubtful, dislikes and appendix idea. Don't be that guy. We'll do the giveaway of the earphones. Stay tuned for that. Maybe it's gonna be in the next video. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. You guys are awesome. This video is long enough, to be honest. Anyway, see you in a bit and peace.